To calculate the probability that negative 0.33 is less than z, we use what we did in example 2 to give this is the probability that z is less than 0.33. And then the table tells us that this is 0.6923. The probability that z is less than minus 1.64 we compute in a similar way as we did with example 3, combined with example 2. This is the same as 1 minus the probability that z is greater than minus 1.64, which is 1 minus the probability that z is less than 1.64 by symmetry, which is 1 minus 0.9495, which is 0.0505. To compute this, we do the probability of z is less than 2 minus the probability that z is less than negative 1. Then this is the probability that z is less than 2 minus, over here, we're computing things as we just did in part B. So by symmetry, we're able to place this probability that z is greater than minus 1 with the probability that z is less than 1. And then using the table, we get 0.8185.